Which apps should you use while writing your book? Today I want to share with you a little about my writing process and the apps that I use to write and keep organized. Hi, I'm Pooja Mohan. I'm an indie author, aka a self-published author, working to self-publish my 7th book, and welcome to my writing studio. When I first start working on a writing project, I like to use paper and pen to work on the idea, flesh it out, and for that I need to put pen to paper to get my thoughts out. I go back to using paper and pen every time I feel I get stuck in my story. But for most part, I use these apps that I'll be talking about to work on my manuscript. In my newsletter, I frequently share about my writing projects and my upcoming book sales and a whole lot of things. There are also some freebies that you get when you sign up. If you want me to write you emails, sign up. I'll link it in the description below. So here are the apps that I use while writing. Once I have my idea all fleshed out, I start outlining in my Scrivener. Over the years, I have developed a format that I use while outlining and writing. These are based on my own experiences, also what I've learned from others. I have a template that I usually go to. If you are interested in using Scrivener or you are already using one and are interested in this template, I'll leave the link to it in the description as well. If you're new to Scrivener, just to give you a little idea of what this app is all about, it's just like a binder where you can keep all your writing, your research, your character sketch, your background stories, everything that you would ideally keep in a binder or a file on your desk. It's here in the digital form. It also allows you to move things easily among some many other things that you can do with Scrivener. I'll also link the website where you can get this app. Next, I use an app called Tide. It's on my phone. It uses the Pomodoro technique, that is 20 minutes focus time, 10 minutes break method, and it's a nice way to sprint. I usually sprint whenever I'm working on my projects, whether it's writing or editing. So I set a timer for 20 minutes, do focus work, and then take a 10 minutes break. The app allows you to set any time that you are comfortable with. Maybe 20 minutes is too short an amount of time for you, or your work requires more focus time for you. So you can adjust those things in this app. So yeah, this is a very handy app to have on your phone and just get writing without any distractions. Once I have my draft ready and I am getting into the self-editing, I like to transfer my work to Microsoft Word. Now, I have been using Microsoft Word for eternity, so I'm very comfortable with using this app. Although recently I've been thinking of using Google Document just so that I can access my work easily no matter where I am and not be dependent on lugging my laptop everywhere I go. At the self-editing stage, I also like to use the Grammarly app, which is an app you can download, and it syncs up well with most everything, with your Google documents, with your Word documents. It is also an extension, a Chrome extension that you can use with any kind of document or any work that you are doing. It checks your grammar and your spelling, and it's quite handy to have so that you don't have to worry about grammar and punctuation and these kind of things when you are writing. And once you are in the self-editing phase, this app comes quite handy. Next, I like to use Google Drive to back up everything, because you don't want to be caught in a situation where you've done all this hard work and because of some computer glitch, you lose all of it. I like to back up everything. Google Drive is my go-to place where everything gets backed up. Of course, I use other places to also back my stuff, but Google Drive is the primary place where everything gets backed up as soon as it's written. So these are the apps that I heavily depend on when I'm getting my manuscript ready. I hope you found this informative and it helps you in some way. I'd love to know which apps you use to get your manuscript ready. Or if you have any recommendations that you feel will be helpful, leave me a comment below and let me know. If there is a particular topic about self-publishing that you'd want me to talk about, leave me a comment below or get in touch with me on my Instagram. Alright then, I'll see you in the next one.